Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope, Leo, July 23 to August 22, Monday, July 29, 2024. It is all about surprises in life, though the surprise would be lucky, especially in relationship. Ang araw po natin ay araw ng Lunes, 29 ng Hulyo 2024. May kinalaman sa sorpresa. Maganda, maswerteng sorpresa na tatamasahin mo sa araw na ito.